Well, let me start with a sentence in the guiding principle of the Sendai Framework. Disaster risk reduction requires a multi-hazard approach and inclusive risk-informed decision-making based on the open exchange. In Italy, as well as in many other countries in the world, we have all types of risk from any types of hazards, including shipwreck. And we need a multi-hazard approach for real-time decisions as well as for long perspective decisions. And we need to know the effects of different hazards coming from in different situations, not after they occur, but before they occur. And for that reason, we need a very well-grounded model. We know that different hazards can interact in different ways with causal and non-causal relationships. We have a domino effect, and we have a hazard that come from different primary hazards. We have to compare risks from different hazards in order to make sounded prevention action. We need to understand and evaluate interactions of hazard and the related changes in vulnerability and exposure that are very important in order to understand which are the risks coming from different hazards, even if not they are correlated. And we need also to evaluate cascading effects, both natural and natural technological effects. So we have this main objective. We need to optimize risk prevention actions for the long term with very well-sounded strategies, and for the short term where we have to make decisions in order to reduce risks in the short term. Very often other risk metrics are not standardized, and comparison of different risks is almost impossible. We need a quantitative approach and comparable results. There are many challenges. Exposure and vulnerability change continuously, especially in rapidly developing countries, and we need to update the data sets continuously. Another challenge is related to cultural heritage. Here in Venice, there are very good examples, and all over Italy. And we need specific risk assessment and specific operational procedures for cultural heritage. There are many issues to be addressed. National platform collaboration, open data, open source philosophy, economic sustainability of open approaches. But moreover, we need global modeling, and we will concentrate on global modeling. In our session, we will have the contribution of several global modeling. One is GEM, perhaps the most advanced because it can allow us to arrive to end-to-end risk assessment. The guiding principles are collaborative, credible, yes, open, and public good. These are the keywords. We have a representative from the International Consortium on Landslide, putting together many research centers dealing with stakeholders. We have representatives from the Global Flood Partnership, which is related also to monitoring as well as modeling and forecasting. And we will have a representative from the Global Tsunami Model that is trying to establish standards in order to make probabilistic assessment of tsunami risk, hazard and risk. And we will have global volcano model representative that is dealing with the reduction of risk of about 800 million people living around active volcanoes all over the world. So I invite all of you to discuss with us about all these topics. I hope not in this way. And here you see the name of the panelists. Thank you.